So hey coders, welcome back to Shrug Coder and a very happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. So today we are diving into an exciting concept in Python which is polymorphism of oops. Right? So if you are ready to take your Python skills to next level, stick around till the end. So what is polymorphism? So polymorphism is basically a powerful concept that allows methods in different classes to share the same name but behave differently. Seems interesting, right? Let's see how it works in Python. So let's get started. So what does polymorphism means? It means many forms, but what it means in Python? So the main motive of polymorphism in Python is we have different classes and with same name a method can be run but with different operations. Like we are defining the method with same name but we are using it in different ways everywhere, right? So this is why polymorphism is used, right? So the main motive of this is this. By using a real world example we can see, if we say a man runs, so a person runs, then a car runs and a boy runs. So here three things we have same method run but the things are different. So here the classes are different but the method is same with different usage in every class. This is what polymorphism means, right? So now let us start writing the function of polymorphism. So first I am writing it with an example of functions. Okay, so let's create a function here. Def add, let's add a, b. These are two parameters I am giving here. Then simply write return a plus. So this is what I have created a function, right? You already know how we create functions because I have already made the video on this. So you can check out that video. I will keep that in my description. So let's print it. Print add 5 and 7. So see. First function, using add we have added numbers. Now another method we are using it. Method is add, but now I am using it for strings. Like here, right? Okay. Print add, then hello, then comma, then world. Okay. So we'll add this now. You can see hello world is printed here. So this is how it works. So here we have concatenated the strings, even we have added the numbers. So using one function we have done two things. We have worked with two different data types. So this is how polymorphism works. So next we work with classes. How polymorphism work with classes. So let's create a class named bird. Okay, bird class bird with the parameter self. Okay, then what I will add in this is simply I will be adding def speak. This is the function I am adding here. Again I will have no the error I made it is this. Okay, here I will give parameter self. So return, what I will return, simply return chirp. Okay, so this is class bird. Then I am creating class dog. But I am creating class dog with same function speak. Okay, so you should also open your code editors and write the code with me as well, so that your coding skills also get faster, right? So class dog. Now what is polymorphism here? So now there will be polymorphism in action now. So I'll make a function def make sound. Okay, we'll make sound. What I'll add is I will write animal here. Then we'll print animal dot speak. So this is what I want to do. Then I'll speak. Okay, so do remember about the brackets here, because someone might get confused in these three, but you have to, and elsewhere it will give us error. So let's run this also. Now the main part is we'll create the object. So sparrow is equals to board, right? Simply write and beagle is equals to dog. I always work in different cells. I always create things in different cells because I love to do that, and that is the better way to write cleaner codes. And you can see it's very easily visible, and if I want to change anything, I can easily change anything here. So call in action the things. So simply write sparrow and then make sound of beagle. That's right. This the chop chop and woof woof woof. So here make sound function accepts any object and calls it according to their methods, right? So sparrow, I have given the bird class, so it has given me chop chop, and beagle I have given the dog class where it has returned me woof. So this is how polymorphism works with classes. So that's our wrap for our today's video. Polymorphism makes our code more dynamic and easier to maintain. We saw examples using functions, and then we used it using classes. You can also use it using inheritance. That is also a part of OOP concept. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your coding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Coder for more Python tutorials. Let me know in the comments what concept you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep coding. Bye bye.